Hello everyone, welcome back again we have a valuable tutorial on managing your subscriptions for iPhone users. I'm going to guide you through the process step by step, so whether you're an iPhone, iPad, or basically any other iOS device, this has got you covered. So let's jump right in. Start by opening up the App Store like this, so you need to make sure that you find it and locate it. So open it up like this. And once you're there, locate the profile icon at the top. So this is where all the magic happens. So click on that. You can see my Foxtecc logo is right here. And your account information unfolds before you. Now, under the purchase section, you can find the subscriptions option. So you can see it right here. So if I click on subscriptions, it's basically like a way to see all of your commitments. So once you tap on it, it'll reveal the list of all of your active subscriptions. For example, you can see I have the Snapchat Plus right here, which is already inactive as it expired on the 27th of November. But it's going to really depend on your current situations. So you can see you might have like a list of all of the available things right here. So it really depends. Now, this is where the real control comes in, because you can go and simply through the simple process of canceling any active subscriptions directly in the menu. So in case you have anything active, you're going to click on it and you're going to be able to see the option to cancel that subscription in case it is active. For me, it's not, so I can, for example, renew it. If that's the case, you can also just come back to your previous subscriptions and renew them. So I can pay 50 cents once again and get access to Snapchat Plus monthly plan. So this is another option. So it really depends on what your situation is. But what if you've already been charged and you're having second thoughts? Well, there's an option as well. You can head over to the website called report.apple.com, and this is where you can basically request refunds from Apple. So unless you really don't want it and you have already paid, you don't really go through the steps very often. But if you want to, you can go to this page and you should be able to find it in here. For some reason, it doesn't work for me, so I'm just going to look it up in Google. So I'm going to type in the refund like this, and you should be able to find it in here. Here's basically a reportaproblem.apple.com, and this is basically where you can find it. Now, before we wrap up, I want to share something exciting with you, because I've been working on Foxtecc educational platform, which I've created on this page right here. You can join it for free. It's going to be linked down below in the description, and there you can watch many different courses and some premium stuff which I created exclusively for this platform. More is to come in the future, so this is definitely something that you should check out. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope that you found this tutorial helpful in managing your active subscriptions. Don't forget to check out the Foxtecc platform, linked in the description. If you found this video useful, hit the like, hit the subscribe, and I can see you guys later in the future.